Swimsuit season, here I come. I'm making my acai bowl every day. High in fiber, high in protein, low in sugar. Gonna keep me feeling fuller longer. What more could a girl ask for? I need to be eating this every day until I put on my two-piece swimsuit. It's gonna happen. Before I get started, I would love to ask if you would consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I love making these recipes, and I'm forming a community of amazing people who love healthy food. So if you're interested in being part of this community, would you consider hitting the subscribe button down below? It's that little red button. Just click on that. Tell me what you think of these recipes. Let's do this journey together. And now let's get started on this next recipe. I'm making an acai bowl. So acai, frozen unsweetened acai. Why are we doing acai? Because it's super high in antioxidants. It also helps with heart health. It's linked to studies that show lowering of cholesterol and improved cardiovascular health, which is super important. It's great for weight management, satiety. It's going to keep you feeling fuller longer because it's loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. This is all good stuff. I'm adding frozen berries, 2 scoops of vegan protein powder, and 1 cup of plant milk. Here I have almond milk. Throw everything in a blender. Here it is. 19 grams of protein, 15 grams of fiber, loaded with good fat, super low in sugar. Of course, I'm gonna add a little red with some raspberries. We're topping it with blueberries. Again, super high in antioxidants. I need a little bit of coconut, that's just me. Just a little bit of pumpkin seed. We've got our chia. This is gonna bump up the fiber even more. And some gorgeous granola. Just in time for swimsuit season. The super simple, low sugar, high protein, high fiber acai bowl. Let me know if you make it, you guys. It's so good, I can't even tell you. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.